Hi, welcome to another video of Campers.eu. In this video we are at the Caravelle, that's a fair here in the north of Holland, and we are presenting the new SpaceCamper Classic Plus. So we've become a dealer for the SpaceCamper products, and in this video we're going to go over their conversion, the Classic Plus, based on the Volkswagen Caravelle, but they also provided it on the Ford Tourneo Custom. So let's go and check it out. Look at this shiny camper van. The Classic Plus is based on the Volkswagen Caravelle or the Ford Transit Tourneo, so we are able to deliver both models. If you want a Volkswagen or a Ford Tourneo, that's both possible. And we have them in diesel powered, so with the 136 horsepower, 150 horsepower or the 170 horsepower, and also all-wheel drive is available. Next to that, especially more interesting for the Dutch market, is the plug-in hybrid. The plug-in hybrid has a 2.5 petrol engine and an electro-powered engine, and you can charge it, of course, and for our taxes here in Holland it's quite interesting. And even if you would like a full electric vehicle, that's also possible. As you can see, it has 2 sliding doors as standard, and this color scheme is just fantastic. The upper color is a Volkswagen color and the lower color is done by SpaceCamper themselves. And so let's go into the interior. The concept of SpaceCamper Classic Plus is to have the perfect blend of a daily vehicle, your transport vehicle, and your camper van. And I think they just succeeded brilliantly. So in here you have their own 3-seater bench. This is quite unique because it's not a sliding bench like you see in a lot of camper vans like the California. This one just is designed by them. Has 3 seats. It has ISOFIX for your children's seats, and it is the fastest bed there is in the camper van industry. So basically what you do is you only push this lever on both sides, you push them forward like so, and then you flip the whole bed. You flip it down, flip this down, and you're done. So here you have your bed, and this bed is 2.5 meters long, and it is 1.50 meters from this side until this side. So that is really a great size. You're able to get stuff from underneath here if you open this part, and everything is removable. So you can remove the backrest, you can remove the seating part here below, and you can remove the cushions in the back. So then you have your transporter vehicle. So that is really nice and comfortable because you sleep on the backrest, the mattress is there. So that makes it very comfortable. So this is your cupboard. As you can see, there's some towels in there. There's a, let me see, there's some shirts you can put in there. It's quite a lot of storage. But you can also take this part out if you want more storage space. Open the cabinet, pull this lever, and move the whole thing forward. Now, my bed is no longer 150 in width, of course, but it's about 135, so still really decent. And if you compare it to the new California, that is 108, so that's quite a big difference. And now your storage space is really, you got a lot of storage now. You can put some stuff on top of here as well. You can charge your phones, put your glasses. So epic bed conversion. Let me put this down and pull this up. Just take that back headrest and push it back. Up here you have your bed with a Froley disc system underneath, so that's quite familiar and what you expect in a pop-up. Below here, because this part you're able to take it out, and the backrest as well, actually the seating system is like hovering, so that gives us a lot of space to put big drawers in here. So that's a lot of space. And then there is a small table on this side where you can put some flip-flops. There's some storage in there. The auxiliary heater blows in the hot air, and this is their unique, really unique kitchen unit. We have its tiny door. You can open it, and behind there you see these filled baskets where you can put your stuff in. And now, if I press the lever down here, the table will come up, or the door will turn into a table. I lock it in place, and now I have a table. And still the storage underneath. I can still access all the storage down there. If I push it down again, there you go. And then try to do it with one hand. Bear with me, it still works. It's done. Fridge is over here. It's quite deep actually, really deep. We've got some wine in there. I can untie this one, flip this over, pull this up, and now we have your water tap is there, and there's a 1 burner to cook on. So everything you need, sink and a burner. And if I put this flap like so, push it further back, I get another table for the outside. Now let's go there and check out what we can do more with the kitchen unit. Here we go. So here's a little table. I'll put it up for now. And then on this side there's a lever. Pull this. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Take the hinge that is here, and I'll lock it into the middle hole there. There you go. And look at this. Now we have the kitchen outside. I can take the burner, take it out, put it on the left side, hang it there. Check. Now we can open the cabinet again. Now my table, oh, hello, has turned in to a workspace. So I can chop my veggies, I can do some preparation for my meals, but we only have 1 burner at the moment. SpaceCamper thought about that, and they've added another one. There's a tiny thingy here that you have to pull, and then the burner will come up. Pull this open. There you go, 2 burners more. So that gives you excellent cooking stuff, cooking space. And the good thing is you can even pull it out, you can lift it up from here, put it in another place outside, put your chairs around it, and have a dinner party. Amazing. So if we walk to the back of the vehicle, the solution for the water, the SpaceCampers do not have the water connection and the electricity connection, because the water they've put it inside. So I can pull it from here, pull it out, and in here I have like these cans, water canisters. I have 3 of them, about 10 to 12 liters. So 1, 2, 3, that gives you more than 30 liters of water. And you can just swap around the water pump from here to another one to give you more water, and just take this out, take it somewhere, and refill it. No, that's quite easy to do. Everybody can do that. And in here, like I said, you have the water pump, but there's also another one. This is a heating element. With this heating element, I can heat the water up to 38 degrees Celsius. So I could even take a shower. Or I can put it on a lower temperature and make sure my water doesn't freeze up. So talking about shower, in here, hope you can see that, is the shower head. I just pull it out and pull out the hose. There we go. Just push it back, push it back. So that is just epic. Like I said before, these things just lift out to make your storage, to make a transporter, and to show you that they found the perfect place to put living space and the perfect storage space. Look at this. If I push this down and pull the drawer out, this gives me a space for 3 Euro boxes with stuff. So these are 60 by 40 centimeters, and they give great access to a lot of stuff. You can put stuff in there, and the good thing is they designed these lids themselves. You can use them as chopping boards, but you can also put them below the box that I took out. There's still some storage. You put some stuff in here. There's a drain here, so you can put your shoes in there, or your cables, or little things, and hose them off later on after the holiday, and your water will flow out. And I can take the lid of the Euro box and put it on there, and it gives me a table. Now I have a table there, and you can even use, I don't know if I can do, no. You can use another cooker system here, and cook from here, or you make a big table with putting that also on the bottom. And here you can still use your water. If you're cooking, then you can wash your hands or do whatever is necessary. And just put it back. And you can add another drawer if you like to in this one, on this side. There are plenty of good and great options for the SpaceCamper. And with that, I think they've made and the next step in camper vanning. I mean, this is cutting edge camper van technology, and it's now available in the Netherlands. And we are, as a company, are very proud that we are allowed to represent this brand that has been building camper vans for more than 20 years in Germany, and now they're available here in the Netherlands. So I hoped you like this short view, short introduction of the SpaceCamper Classic Plus. And as always, if you have questions, just contact us. And hopefully soon we will have our own version in our showroom of the Classic Plus interior. And if you haven't seen it, we also sell the SpaceCamper modules. We have that in the vehicle here next to the Classic Plus, and they have the same layouts. You've seen that in my last video, and so check that video out. And I hope to see you in the next one or in our showroom. Bye.